In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to GoDaddy Website Builder. We'll start right from your GoDaddy dashboard to get a brand new site up and running with the Website Builder. First, open the account menu by clicking the profile icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From there, go to My Products. This area lists everything tied to your account and is the quickest way to launch new tools. Look for the Website Builder option and choose Set up a free website. This creates a starter site so you can explore the builder without committing to anything yet. Next, you'll see a screen that asks, what are some features your website needs? Here, GoDaddy tailors the setup based on your goals. You'll notice options like selling products online or booking appointments. For this walkthrough, select Sell with an online store. This will add storefront pages and e-commerce features automatically, saving you time later. Click Continue to move ahead. You'll now be asked, what kind of business do you have? Choose the category that best matches your niche. If you're unsure, pick the closest fit. This only guides the initial template and suggested content, and you can always change it later. After selecting a category, click Continue. Next, enter your business name. This name populates headings and helps shape your site's initial branding. Keep it clean and consistent with what you use elsewhere. Don't worry, you can update it anytime. When you're ready, click Continue. You'll be prompted to add a phone number for your business. This helps customers reach you and can be used across your site and store settings. If privacy is a concern, consider using a dedicated business line or a forwarding number and format it correctly for your region. After adding it, click Continue. You'll then see a section that says, Tell us a little about your business. Here you can add a brief description or skip for now. A concise blurb works best. Mention what you offer, who you serve, and what sets you apart. 1 to 3 sentences is plenty, and you can refine it later as your site takes shape. If you don't have the wording ready, it's perfectly fine to skip this step and return to it in the builder. That's it. Based on your choices, GoDaddy will generate a starter website and store layout for you. From there, you'll land in the editor where you can customize the design, adjust pages, and fine-tune your content. If you had chosen appointments instead of a store, the process would be similar, just tailored to booking. You can revisit any of these details later in your site settings as your business evolves.